third question comes from last year's trial paper, the N.Sembilan. Here we have a paragraph here, but let's go through the question first. Okay, so here it says state the function of f of x, g of x, and then we need to find out the composite function, which means two functions combine together to form a new function which represents the monthly money or bonus received by Harif. So now we need to understand what does x, f of x, and g of x represent, okay, to find our composite function. So if you go through the first three lines here, it says that g of x is the bonus or money Harif will receive, and x is the monthly sales. Okay, so let's jot down here. Then it also says that the company will pay 25% of the agent's monthly sales. So this is the money that Harif will receive, which is the g of x. Okay, so a simple example. If let's say the monthly sales here is 100, okay, here is 100, then the company will pay 25%, or meaning 0.25. We multiply 0.25 and then we'll get the money Harif will receive, which is 25. So let's say if 100 is x, so this means the money Harif will receive is 0.25 x. Okay, so this would be our function. So g of x is 0.25 x, and f of x is the function that represents total sales earned starting May 2022. Okay, so let's jot down here f of x sales. Okay, it says after deduction. Okay, here it says starting May 2022 because in May 2022 they set a new policy, which is the monthly sales will be deducted by a membership fee of 380 per month. Okay, so it will deduct this value from the monthly sales. Okay, so let's say an example, monthly sales is 500. So because of this membership fee, we need to minus 380, so it will become 120. Okay, so again, if this 500 is x, we minus 380, so this is x minus 380. So this is my function. Okay, so now once we know g of x and f of x already, then we can form the composite function. But the question is, which comes first? Should we minus or should we multiply the 25% first? Okay, so if you read through, right, here it says the total sales are the monthly sales, and then it says which have been deducted. So technically this monthly sales must first be deducted first. Deduct this membership fee, later on the company then will pay 25%. So it should be f first, then only g. Okay, so as we know, the first function that we see must be the inside function, so our function will be gfx. Oh, sorry, right, gfx, and then we just substitute f of x, this function, inside here. Okay, and this one is our new value technically. So this one, from this g of x, we need to change all the x to become this value. Then I use this as my next line. Okay, so this is my function. We first minus 380, then only multiply 0.25. And for part B, it says the price of a product is 373, and Harif must receive this bonus in this amount if he wants to achieve a higher rank, or means promotion lah. So what is the minimum quantity of products needs to be sold to help him achieve this promotion? Okay, so before we find the quantity, okay, let's figure out what is the minimum sales that Harif has to do, right? But then here, in this condition, it only gives us the bonus condition, right? Must receive a bonus at least 550. So this is the bonus amount. Okay, so before we use sales, we need to use bonus to help us find sales and quantity. So here, this bonus, we can actually use the composite function that we did in part A, because here it represents the monthly bonus. So here, you can see that it is a condition. This bonus, which is gfx, must be equal or more than 5500. So I can write this statement out first. Okay, then later on, we can use the result from part A, substitute here. Reason is because we can find this value of X, which is actually the monthly sales that Harith done in that month. Okay, so let's rearrange this equation a bit, and you'll find that X is this amount. So this means the minimum monthly sales that Harith needs to do is this amount, 22k. Alright, so now we know the minimum monthly sales, then we can go backwards, find the quantity, which is why this price of a product is given. Okay, so the total sales we divide by the price of one product, and we'll get 60. So this means that Harith needs to at least sell 60 of these products to get this promotion.